Amigo is a very responsible bird. He wants to see his environment clean. Now we have here recycled trashes, and Amigo is going to show us how to clean up that mess. Check this out. He picked up the beer can, walked all the way, open the bin, Amigo, open the bin, and jump inside. Wow! He picked up the Coca-Cola can, walked all the way again, open the bin, and jump inside. Yes, that's one, buddy. He picked up the plastic cup. Open the bin again and jump inside. Wow! Now if no birds can do, why can't we, right? So we cannot stop waste production entirely, but every one of us can make a significant contribution. So think before you bin. It helps save energy and natural resources. It also helps reduce the need for landfill and reduce pollution. Because we here in Cebu so far strongly believe that cleanliness is next to godliness. Now everyone, we go together with this fine and friends has something to tell us. What do you want to say, buddy? You want to say something? Welcome to Cebu Safari's first show. Ladies and gentlemen from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying host.
Whoa!
Now here's our twin balloon Gold named Kai and Tar. And wait, here's more. Kai and
Ah, grabe yan eh.
Wow!
Woo!
Now we have a total of 7 blue and gold lakos with Hardy Man, Tony, Kai, Carl, and JR, and 1 green winged bako named Rico. So lakos are very adaptive. Whatever environment they are in, it becomes quite normal for them. So if they were surrounded with many people, they will accept many people. Now their diet, they love to eat variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. They also have a powerful beak that it can crack a hard shell and gnaw. And as you can see, they are free to fly because we don't clip their wings. So we let our animals or birds engage to their most natural habitat to exercise their most natural behavior in the wild. So we treat them as an ambassador in the wild for the next generation to see. And did you know that we have a total